Hey everybody, welcome back. And welcome back to this month's lesson, which is all about which season?
Winter.
Winter.
That's right.
Wow. How's the weather in winter?
Oh, it's cold.
It's cold.
And snowy.
Yeah. Oh, I like your hat.
Thanks, Simon. I like yours too. And
thank you.
You have a nice coat.
Yeah, I've got a coat because it's cold.
It's cold.
What month is it? What month is it?
It's December.
Oh, December. And what's special about December?
I know. It's Christmas.
It's Christmas. Wow, it's Christmas. During Christmas, does it snow?
Sometimes it snows.
Wow. And what do you say on Christmas?
We say Merry Christmas.
Yeah, we say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
That's right.
So let's get into studying all about Christmas. Guy,
Yeah.
what's that behind you?
Let's take a look, Simon. Whoa!
Whoa.
It's a Christmas tree.
It's huge. It's huge.
Yeah, it's so
Big
big.
Christmas tree.
It's beautiful.
Oh. Did you make that Christmas tree?
Yes, I did.
What's on your Christmas tree?
Well, first I put on ribbons.
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 Oh yeah, ribbons here. Ribbons here. Okay.
Then I put on ornaments.
Ornaments. Oh, okay. Wow. You've got red ornaments. You've got orange ornaments. Wow.
Right.
Okay. What else did you put on your Christmas tree?
Then on the very top, on top of the Christmas tree, I put a star.
Oh, the star. The star.
That's
right on top. Right on top. Wow.
Oh, I also put on some stockings.
Oh. Guy, what's a stocking?
A stocking is a Christmas sock.
A Christmas sock. What do you put in the Christmas sock?
In the Christmas sock, we put in candy and toys.
Candy and toys. Wow. Okay. Is there anything else on your Christmas tree?
Oh, that's right. Up here, I have a snowman.
A snowman.
On my Christmas
Wow. Oh, have you ever made a snowman?
tree. Oh, yes, I have.
Oh.
It's fun.
It's
so fun.
Wow.
I don't have any bells on my tree this year.
Oh, so you don't have any bells on your tree?
No, not this year.
It doesn't matter because I know a song about bells.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It goes jingle bells, jingle bells,
Jingle all the way.
Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Guy,
Yeah.
I want to help you decorate your Christmas tree.
Oh, I'd love that.
So
Simon.
I brought with me today a wreath.
Oh, I love it.
It's a wreath, and I'm gonna put it on the Christmas
Oh,
tree.
stop,
Whoa.
Simon.
No? Huh? No?
The wreath, it doesn't go on the Christmas
It
tree.
doesn't go on the Christmas tree?
No, it goes on the door.
On the door.
Put it on the door.
Oh, so I take the wreath and I put it on the door. Yes?
On the door, please.
Ah, okay, so the wreath goes on the door, not on the Christmas tree.
No.
Okay, I bought one more thing
One more thing?
to go on your Christmas tree.
Oh, great. What is it?
It's a present!
A present?
Yeah!
Wow.
I'm gonna put the present right on
Simon,
your Christmas.
Simon, stop. I love presents, but they don't go on the tree.
But guy, the snowman goes on the tree.
Yes, that's right.
And the ornament goes on the tree.
That's right.
And the ribbon goes on the tree.
That's right.
And the stocking goes on the tree.
That's right.
And the wreath goes on the door.
Yes.
But the present doesn't go on the tree?
No, it doesn't.
Where does the present go?
It goes under the tree.
Oh, it goes under the tree.
We put the presents under the tree.
Under the tree. Okay, so we have on and under.
Under. That's right.
Oh, okay. On the tree.
On the tree.
On the door.
On the door.
Under the tree.
Under the tree.
Under the tree.
Under the tree.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
No, you're welcome.
Simon. Yes.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, thank you. Wow, I got my present. I'm just gonna open it up.
Whoa, 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 wait a second,
What?
Simon. Stop.
What? Why?
Don't you know Christmas presents are for Christmas Day?
Oh, Christmas presents are for Christmas Day. I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's right. We open presents on Christmas Day.
Oh, so I can't open it now?
No. Please stop.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Only on Christmas Day.
That's right. So be good. Don't open your presents early.
Okay. Who brings the presents?
Oh, Santa brings presents.
Santa!
That's right.
Santa brings the presents.
That's
Wow. Okay. And what kind of presents does he bring you? What kind of presents can he bring?
Well, you can get toys,
Oh, toys. Wow, toys. You can get dolls.
dolls, cars,
Cars. Wow, I like cars. Or you could even get puzzles.
puzzles, or balls.
Balls. What kind of balls?
Basketball, soccer ball,
Soccer balls.
rugby ball,
Rugby balls.
baseballs,
Baseballs. Wow. You can also get teddy bears.
teddy bears. You can get a robot.
A robot. Wow. Or you can get a game.
Wow, I want the game. Simon, how about you? What do you want for Christmas?
What do I want for Christmas? I want a bicycle.
A bicycle?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
I want a bicycle
You
too.
want a bicycle too?
Yeah.
Wow.
Just like that one.
Just like that. Wow. So we want a bicycle.
That's right. Come on, Santa. So, Simon, who brings presents on Christmas?
Who brings presents on Christmas? Oh, I know. Santa.
That's right.
Santa.
That's right. Santa rides in a sleigh,
Oh, a sleigh.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
and the reindeer pulls the sleigh.
Reindeer? What's a reindeer?
That's a reindeer.
That's a reindeer. Oh, okay.
And
Wow.
Santa's reindeer are magic. They can fly.
Wow. They can fly. Mm-hmm. Okay. Wow.
All right. So, Simon, what does Santa look like?
Santa has a red hat.
Oh, a red hat.
He has a white beard.
Oh, a white beard.
And he's a happy person, so he has a twinkle in his eyes.
A twinkle. Wow.
Yeah.
Do you know any songs about Santa?
Yes. Actually, I do. I know a Santa song.
Really?
Yeah.
Can you teach me?
I can teach you. It goes like this. It goes, red hat,
hat.
white beard, twinkle in his eyes.
Ah, I see.
Santa is his name. Oh, S-A-N-T-A, 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 and Santa is his name.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I like that song.
Okay, let's go sing it.
All right.
So, Guy,
Yeah.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Yeah, and I hope you guys could learn a lot about Christmas today. There's so many fun things about Christmas.
Yeah, it's so fun. I love Christmas.
You spend some good time with your family. Yeah.
Oh, for sure.
So we'll see you next year. Okay, so Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
That's right. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye.
Bye.
See you next time. Bye.
See you.
Merry Christmas to you. Merry Christmas to you. And Merry Christmas to you.
Reindeers.
Oh, the reindeers. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, the reindeer.
Good job.